कहते हैं लैंग्वेज इज़ नॉट अ बैरियर, पर यह सच नहीं है, क्योंकि हम भारतीयों के लिए अंग्रेज़ी भाषा सामाजिक स्थिरता, काबिलियत और झूठी शान का प्रश्न बन गया है। दूसरी ओर हिंदी एवं अन्य भारतीय भाषा एक पिछड़ेपन का प्रतीक है। भाषा के प्रति इसी रूढ़िबद्ध धारणा यानी स्टेरियोटाइप मानसिकता को बदलने के लिए मैं अपनी आवाज़ देना चाहती हूँ और लोगों तक ये पहुँचाना चाहती हूँ कि भाषा और काबिलियत को एक ही तराजू में नहीं तोला जा सकता। और साथ ही मैं एक ऐसे वर्ग के लिए भी आवाज़ बनकर आई हूँ जो बिल्कुल हमारी तरह ही इज्जत, प्यार और सुरक्षा का हकदार है, क्योंकि मेरा मानना है कि समाज में सभी को साथ ले चलकर ही एक असल मायने में इक्वालिटी लाया जा सकता है, और वो वर्ग है LGBT कम्युनिटी। एंड दीज आर माई टू एडवोकेसी जिसे मिस अरुणाचल के ज़रिए मैं लोगों तक पहुंचाना चाहती हूं। हेलो और नमस्ते, मेरा नाम ताबा आन्या है। मैं दिल्ली महाविश्वविद्यालय से हिंदी में मास्टर कर रही हूं और मैं पापुम-पारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हूं। पाया लेंचो।
Tashi Dilek everyone. I am Miss Ring Lamu, proudly representing the land of monasteries, lakes and passes, the exotic Tawang. I am a student of 3rd year pursuing my studies in Guwahati. I define myself as a reserved and spontaneous person at the same time. And I believe Miss Arunachal is not just about beauty, it's about beauty with a purpose. So I'm looking forward to see what future holds in this journey of sharing compassion, motivation and engaging myself for different causes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tengam Selimkoyu. I come from the land of the mighty Siang, Pasighat. I'm a graduate in Bachelor of Arts in Sociology and currently pursuing my Masters from Rajiv Gandhi University. I strongly believe in the saying that winners are not people who never fail, but those who never gives up. And so, here I am in Kingfisher Miss Arunachal 2021, representing your very own East Siang district. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Hibu Abiang. I am representing my Lower Subansiri district. Being a strong believer of women empowerment and being a black belt myself, I have always tried to contribute in it. I have given many free camps at my hometown Jiro and also at the prestigious Rashtrapati Bhavan. Miss Arunachal will give me a platform to share and preach my knowledge all over Arunachal Pradesh. And I, in the future, look forward to do the same anywhere and everywhere I go and I can. Thank you.
Namaste, people of Arunachal, representing the land of Kongmukham, that is Namsai district. I am Priscilla Latam Kim Singh, currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Arts in Venerable Uktara Bethany College, Namsai. I have joined Miss Arunachal 2021 with 100% of dedication, as my intentions are very straight and strong to create a mentally fair atmosphere all around the people of Arunachal, as I don't think any other platform can give us such a power and a level that might change the mindset of the people and create love, humanity and positivity all around the people of Arunachal. So I am here to learn and earn an identity for myself. Thank you so much.
I strongly believe that true beauty is not just about outer appearance groom, but one with a lovely beautiful heart which makes her get going in life with a smile on her face and a lot of strength. And I want to tell everyone that beauty pageants are not only about beauty, it's more than that. And I am here to get inspired and inspire. Hi, I am Ms. Tana Punya, representing my district, which is Papumpare district. I have completed my degree from Chennai. As a fashion enthusiast and a textile engineer, I have experience of working as a fashion designer. And talking about my hobbies, I enjoy dancing and I love singing. Paya Lincho.
Hello everyone, my name is Kesang Lamu and I am a proud Arunachali. I am representing my beautiful district, West Kameng district. I believe in the idea of loving, caring and sharing. My mom, she is my biggest inspiration because she taught me to have this never giving up attitude. This is just one life and one should live his or her life without any regret. I want to be the voice for the voiceless. I want to stand up for the right. I want to spread love and humanity. I want to do something good for my society. I want to make not just my family proud but my state proud of me. Thank you.
I am Millie Roma, a Nisi girl. I come from the hills of Kamle district. I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in Biniyanga Government Women's College, Lekki. I love cooking and reading good books in my spare of time. And someday, I want to see myself teaching young minds and helping them shape their future by opting teaching as a profession. As the saying goes that each one can teach one and make the world a better place to live. Thank you.
Growing up, my mom and dad taught me the importance of compassion and empathy, which is why in my journey in life, I've had this deep embedded need to be selfless, to give, to help, and to empower others. I am Yadam Bagang, your finalist Kingfisher Miss Arunachal 2021, holding a bachelorate degree in English literature, proudly representing the magnificent East Coming. For I believe that everything that you have ever wanted is on the other side of fear. Paya Lingcho.
There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from the failures. Hello everyone, my name is Ajuika and I am representing the beautiful district Upper Subansiri. I have completed my diploma in general nursing midwifery from Iktamsu University, Zero. I love gardening and watching TV. My ambition is an exemplary nurse and to serve humanity to my best ability. Thank you all.
Hello everyone and namaste. I am Yatar Kure and I'm 20 years old, currently pursuing BS second semester in Dehradun College, Itanagar. And I'm proudly representing the West Young district. And I believe that greatest things never come from the comfort zone. For that, we need to struggle to develop our greater strength. By emphasizing ourselves is most important. And thank you.
We have been told that the elders want to protect us from the outside world, but I believe that we should be allowed to explore the world. Hello everyone, Naruam Rogamba. My name is Ria Riba and I am proudly representing my district, Leparada. I belong to a small village known as Dare and I'm from the Galo tribe. And currently I'm staying in Naharlagan. I'm in my third year of BTech Civil Engineering in Sakya Manipal University. And my hobbies are dancing sometimes. I like reading novels and I also like playing volleyball. And I believe that to be a successful person, one should be known by their own name, but not as someone's grandchild or child. So having said that, I want to tell the people that believe in yourself and trust the process. Thank you.
My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position by which I can serve the society. Last but not the least, I firmly believe that each day is your best day, so embrace and live it to the fullest. Thank you, Paya Lingcho.
I am here not only for the crown. I'm here to feel the beautiful experience of this journey. I am participating in this beauty pageant to celebrate the essence of women. As a person, I believe not to live in the shadows of people's judgment. I am Semter. Currently, I'm pursuing my BA LLB in Arunachal Law Academy, Naharlagun. Proudly representing my beautiful district, Lower Subansiri, Paya Lingcho.
Hello everyone, my name is Oyam Litin. I am from Upper Siang district. I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Science in Botany. I don't believe in miracles. I believe in hard work because dreams don't work unless we try hard. And I describe myself as a girl in her 20s who wants to explore more of life and also become the best version of herself. And for me, Miss Arunachal pageant is one such kind of opportunity. So here I am participating and looking forward to more experiences. Thank you so much.
The cost of failure is success. Namaste. I am Jayut Sikhet, proudly representing Changlang district. I am a student of BA studying at Indira Gandhi Government College, Teju. I belong to a very beautiful community, that is the Singpho community. Chejugubasai, thank you.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Hello everyone. My name is Miss Anung Bagang, representing the beautiful district My Ane is Coming, Sepa. Currently pursuing the bachelor's degree at Government Dehradun College, Itanagar. My ambition in life is to become a successful person and to make my parents proud and happy. I have a very simple motto in my life. and that is to do my best so that I cannot complain about myself. Thank you and Paya Lingcho.
The valley filled with beautiful sceneries, diverse flora and fauna, where people are learning to accept their differences and flaunting the uniqueness of unity in diversity, my Lower Dibang Valley. Agampa, my name is Mary Ngukar, currently pursuing a Bachelor's in Business Administration from Lovely Professional University, Punjab. I have always been a person who loves experiencing and exploring every field possible. Doing what I am passionate about is what makes me happy, and being a finalist of Miss Arunachal 2021 has made me realize my core values, and in this world of speakers, I want to be a listener who would listen to the emotions of people, understand, connect, and help others connect with each other better. Thank you.
Words stays and travel even when people leave, as said by great philosopher and social leader Swami Vivekananda. Hello Arunachal Pradesh, I am Miss Nami Sumpi, proudly representing my district, Lower Subansiri. Being born in a family so devoted to culture and faith, I have never seen a man so completed without their culture, without their true social remark. I believe my words are devoted and my words will travel places for sheesh to touch people's heart and their mind, to shape ethnicity by their core. And I must say, as an individual, as a woman and as an Arunachali, never to redirect your thoughts and your ideas and your belief of yourself just because of what people other may think about you. Thank you.
Hello everyone out there. My name is Tamchi Abish. I come from a land of love, beauty and a lot of adventure, my Kurungkume district. I am currently pursuing my BCom final year in St. Edmund's College, Shillong. I am a self-motivated person from a middle-class family, and I believe that every challenges in life can be overcome with a positive thought and action. My biggest challenge in my life was to remain strong and consistent after my mother passed away. And I dare to fight every day for a better life and for a better society. Thank you.